Alright, today I'm going to be animating a stop motion in 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and an hour. To start out, I'm going to be using Captain America and this guy from Infinity War.
Come to Daddy.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was definitely a fun one. Expect to see a video from me in the next couple of weeks.